guys, so I am standing outside my dorm room on the 7th floor of SK Global. For today's video, I want to give you a tour of my dorm room. This is my view from the 7th floor. On the 7th floor, we have a study room and a lounge. Today's trash day, that's why there's trash out there. When you walk, I am room 733 right here. I'm gonna give you this super cool key card. So you just wave in front of it and it unlocks. And this is what you are greeted with. I am in a double room. To get the lights to work, you have to put the card in and the lights come on. I'm already wearing my slippers, so I don't need to switch any shoes. But over here, my roommate and I have all of our shoes stored in here. We have a broom and a dustpan, some recyclables, our detergent. Then up here is extra storage space. We have bags for our bedding. We have my bag, some more of my stuff, rain jacket, my water, extra sheets, cleaning products, and umbrellas. And then to your right is going to be the shower. The shower and the toilet are both separate. This is how the shower looks like. So I have my stuff on top and then her stuff is on the bottom. And then we have some more of our stuff over here. Face washes, toothbrushes, toothpaste, and we got hand soap, our trash can underneath, and a towel. And then over here is the toilet. We don't have anything in this cabinet actually, or at least I don't think so. No, we don't have anything up in here. But we did buy a toilet brush and it came with a plunger. And we also had to buy our own toilet paper. Here's our trash can and then our little mats. We actually purchased both of these mats. That one's cute. That one says happiness bath, and then there's a teepee on this one, but we just say I'm going to pee. This is my side of the room. They give you this closet. I have my athletic gym clothes up here. Some of my jackets and more expensive clothes hung up. Then down here, there's a lot of clothes. I have a lot of PJs, gloves, scarves. And then down here, I have my pants up front and then my shorts in the back. Then I have underwear, socks, a bathing suit. You never know what's gonna happen if we have the opportunity to go swimming. And over here, there's more storage space. There's some scarves and some tank tops. I came with 2 large suitcases, a carry-on and a personal bag, and I was able to fit both of my large suitcases under my bed. Then over here, this is supposed to be a safe, but we haven't purchased our lock to it yet. But inside I usually store my laundry and then some other paperwork that they give you, well, that I received from orientation. And then this is my bed. They give you this bedding, a basic sheet, a comforter. I brought my own blanket and my own pillowcases and my own pillow. And then over here is my desk. I have my laptop out, my earbuds. I usually keep my chargers in view and in sight so I can just grab it whenever I need it. Nail polish, perfume. I have all my notebooks and folders, planners, my iPad, and my mirror over here. Have my purse up here, a couple books, some Mac and Tarte in case I run out while I'm over here. I got some Victoria's Secret Bombshell. Amazing scent. It's wonderful. Smells so good. My purse. And then I bought this little caddy to store my flat iron, spray, contact solution, sunscreen, deodorant, contact cases. Then I have my retainer, contacts, glasses, sunglasses, brushes. Up here, I got some souvenirs when I went over to the Olympics to go see Yuzu Hanyu skate during the gala over in Gangneung. If you haven't seen that video yet, I highly suggest you go check it out. I documented my whole experience heading over to Gangneung and watching him at the gala exhibition. And then I have my Polaroid camera as well as my digital camera, storage bag, extra charger, have my Japan flag, and my beanie with Korea that I wore over to Gangneung for the Olympics. And then I have my makeup, jewelry, and then makeup glow sponges. Then down here, I have my passport and cash and other important documents, some tissue. Also my souvenir I got from Kim Jae-jung's J Holic Cafe. I got some cute magnets. This cafe is amazing. Here I have my flat iron, extra wires, belts. The next one has my first aid kit, lint remover, band-aids, whiteners, other medicine. Then down here I have all of my feminine products, so I'll just show you quickly. use all my feminine products and razors and extra lotion. And I have my school bag under here. And this is our view. The crazy thing is that the screen isn't locked, so you can basically get outside of the window. It's kind of sketchy. It's kind of worrisome. But yeah, you can literally peek out of the building. But let's not do that because it gets scary. And we have blinds. And then this is pretty much my side of the room. A few helpful tips about living in the dorms. They supply you with bedding, like I showed you, the sheets and comforter, but everything else you pretty much have to buy. My roommate and I bought all of our cleaning products. We bought mats for both the shower and the bathroom. We bought trash cans, trash bags, water. I suggest going to Daiso. That's where me and my roommate went the first day. I also suggest bringing your own blankets and your own pillows and pillowcases. My roommate also brought her own blankets as well. It just brings that extra comfort from home. On this floor, we also have a shared lounge room that there's water and a microwave for you to heat up your ramen, because we do have a convenience store downstairs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.
Every day, every day, 다 같이 every day. One more time, say it. 안녕하세요. 문화의 선문화입니다. 남처럼 부드러운 baby don't worry. 너는 꿈을 섞겠냐 시도야 지금 너의 너만 좋담 남 보고 대답해 그냥 오오 She say yeah 티켓 2장은 로또 Wanna do it Wanna do it You're the only one Love me more
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god.
언제부턴가 신선해 너의 향기 때문에 지친 내 하루 끝이 이젠 당연히 you'll
Hello everyone. Today I am with
Hi, I'm Audrey.
with Audrey, and we are wearing hanboks. Check us out. It's been something we've been meaning to do for the
Yeah.
longest of times.
Yeah, true. My mom's been bugging me about it.
Same, my mom too.
Yeah. Like, where's the picture of you wearing
Hanboks. And we're finally doing that.
Yep.
Now we're just on our way to go walk over there. This whole hanbok set plus the hair, and then we have a little bag, cost about 17,000 won, which was really, really cheap considering we walked around and we compared different prices. We found a shop that had 25,000 for 2 hours wearing hanbok, and then 35,000 for wearing 2 hours of a different type of hanbok.
Yeah.
Pricing was ridiculous.
Yeah, but like, maybe it's because like she won a Super Junior went there, because like they had like a picture of him. So probably like a lot of like artists and like celebrities went there.
Yeah, Sunmi was a well-known place. Time for us to take lots of pictures and enjoy yourself at the palace.
Like I want to jump around, but like I'm wearing hanbok, so I can't. So I'm just gonna be like.
So if you wear a hanbok and you go to the palace, it's free, but we're not sure if we have to get a free entrance ticket or if we just walk in. But there's some girls in front of us wearing hanbok, so we're just gonna wait for them to enter and see what happens. There's a sign that says caution falling, but where's the falling going on? Audrey, it says caution falling, you have to enact it. Oh wow, so that's what it means. Got it. We've been at the palace for some time. Haven't really done a lot of vlogging because there's lots of pictures to be taken. And as you can tell, I have been here for a while because my hair is starting to fall out.
And it's really hot.
Mm-hmm.
It's so hot!
I think it's because we're here.
Surfing you.
It's officially the last day of class. I am in my KLI class. All my classmates have pretty much left. There's only a couple left in here. Feeling really sentimental. We survived KLI!
We out, bitches!
Peace! Today is the day that I'm leaving South Korea. As you can see, the room is all empty. And we are ready to go. I'm about to head out. One of my suitcases is a little overweight, but we'll see what they say at the airport. If it's too much, I'll just rip it open and just start throwing away stuff because at this point I am so tired of trying to do that. Oh. Anyways, I'm about to go head off on my way to Incheon Airport and maybe put on some lip gloss or lipstick on the ride over.
이젠 다 나를 더 나 없이는 please 잡아줘